The health benefits of a vegan diet. A vegan diet excludes all animal-derived products like meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and honey. People choose veganism for various reasons: ethics, religion, environment. One of the main reasons people choose a vegan lifestyle is for its potential health benefits. Research has shown that vegan diets can enhance heart health, facilitate weight management, regulate blood sugar levels. 1. Reduced risk of high blood pressure. Studies have found that vegans have a significantly lower risk of developing high blood pressure compared to omnivores. 2. Weight management. Following a vegan diet can lead to reduced calorie and fat intake, resulting in quicker short-term weight loss compared to a low-calorie, omnivorous diet. 3. Improved cholesterol levels. Vegans often have lower levels of total and LDL cholesterol, which are risk factors for heart disease. 4. Enhanced blood sugar control. Veganism may aid in better blood sugar control, potentially reducing the risk of diabetes. 5. Joint health. A vegan diet may alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis, improving overall joint health and mobility. 6. Lower risk of certain cancers. Some studies suggest that vegans have a reduced risk of certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancers. These health benefits highlight the advantages of a well-planned vegan diet. It's important to ensure balanced nutrition and consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to address specific dietary concerns. To maintain a healthy vegan diet, prioritize whole, minimally processed foods. Here's a sample shopping list. Fresh produce. Include various vegetables and fruits. Frozen produce. Stock up on frozen vegetables and fruits for convenience. Whole grains. Choose options like brown rice and quinoa. Breads and pastas. Opt for whole wheat pasta and sprouted bread. Protein sources include nuts, seeds, legumes, and soy products. Use dairy alternatives, plant-based milk, yogurt, cheese substitutes. Use ingredients like chia seeds, flax meal, silken tofu. Healthy fats. Incorporate avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, and unsweetened coconut. Use whole food snacks like edamame, hummus nuts. Sweeteners. Use natural options like dates, maple syrup, and stevia. Spices and condiments. Enhance flavor with various spices and nutritional yeast. Focus on these whole foods while minimizing highly processed vegan alternatives to maintain a nutritious vegan diet. 1 week vegan meal plan. Start your week off right with a delicious and nutritious vegan meal plan. Tempeh bacon with sautéed mushrooms, avocado, and wilted arugula. Enjoy a satisfying lunch of whole grain pasta with lentil meatballs and a side salad. 4. Dinner. Indulge in cauliflower and chickpea tacos with guacamole and pico de gallo. For vegan snacking options throughout the day, you can snack on air pop popcorn, kale chips, trail mix on Tuesday. Try these mouth-watering vegan options. Start your day with coconut yogurt with berries, walnuts, and chia seeds. For lunch, savor baked tofu with sautéed red cabbage, Brussels sprouts, herb couscous. In the evening, enjoy a hearty mushroom lentil loaf with garlic, cauliflower, and Italian green beans. Keep your energy up with vegan snacks: bell peppers with guacamole, fruit lettuce, seaweed crisps. Midweek, treat yourself to these delectable vegan dishes. Breakfast with sweet potato toast topped with peanut butter and banana. Enjoy tempeh taco salad with quinoa, avocados, tomatoes, onions, beans, and cilantro. For lunch. For dinner, have oat risotto with Swiss chard, mushrooms, and butternut squash. Enjoy mixed berries, a vegan protein shake, and walnuts as snack. Thursday breakfast. Eggless quiche with silken tofu, broccoli, tomatoes, and spinach. Lunch. Chickpea and spinach curry with brown rice. Mediterranean lentil salad with cucumbers, olives, peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, kale, and parsley is perfect for dinner. Snacks of roasted edamame, sliced pear, and energy balls made from oats, chia seeds, nut butter, and dried fruit. Friday menu. Breakfast. Overnight oats with apple slices, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, and nut butter. Lunch, black bean veggie burger with steamed broccoli and sweet potato wedges. Dinner, mac and cheese with nutritional yeast and colored greens. Snacks, pistachios, homemade granola, and coconut chia pudding. Saturday treats. Breakfast skillet with tempeh, broccoli, kale, tomatoes, and zucchini. For lunch, have garlic ginger tofu with stir-fried veggies and quinoa. Dinner, bean salad with black-eyed peas, tomatoes, corn, bell peppers, and onions. Enjoy your snacks time with roasted pumpkin seeds, frozen grapes, and celery with almond butter. Sunday, new changes, new opportunities. Breakfast, whole grain toast with avocado and nutritional yeast alongside a vegan protein shake. Lunch, lentil chili with grilled asparagus and baked potato. Dinner, vegetable paella with brown rice, onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, artichoke, and chickpeas. Snacks, almonds, fruit salad, and carrots with hummus. This meal plan offers a wide variety of delicious vegan options to keep your meals exciting and nutritious throughout the week. Feel free to adjust portion sizes and ingredients to meet your specific dietary needs and preferences. While a well-planned vegan diet can offer numerous health benefits, there are potential downsides and precautions to consider when adopting this lifestyle. A vegan diet can lack certain essential nutrients found in animal products, potentially leading to deficiencies in vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, iodine, iron, and protein. To address these concerns, consider taking supplements, including a multivitamin with vitamin B12, zinc, iron, vitamin D, and calcium. Algal oil supplements can provide essential omega-3 fatty acids. Ensure dietary diversity and incorporate fortified foods to meet your nutritional needs. Indeed, well-rounded vegan diets offer numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, better blood sugar control, and healthy body weight maintenance. By following a thoughtfully planned vegan meal, you can ensure you're consuming a variety of nutrient-rich, whole foods that supply your body with essential nutrients for optimal health. Thanks for watching.